Alright, here's a better video of the drain boot inside the washer. So there's a bunch of stuff in there, some part of an old rug. Inside of this boot there's like a metal or a plastic cup that acts as like a filter, and you gotta push it up and squeeze it out of there. But this one, after the customer washed a rug in there, all the rubbery stuff from the bottom of the rug went in there and just completely clogged it. So we got to pull this out. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, that will clog your washing machine. Thank you for watching.